Hi guys, I have a very small Hot Wheels Matchbox haul. Kids got into some of them, so I'll show you what I have here. I was surprised to see the Matchbox Mercedes-Benz collection. There were only a few of these left in the store. This is the Mercedes C63 AMG 6x6. So I picked up one of those. These were between that was $1.27 and I'll show you another one that was 94 cents. This is the Hot Wheels. These were 94 cents. This is the Honda series. So this is the Honda Civic EF. There was other ones there as the sunroof, but again, this reminds me of the little Volkswagen Rabbit I had that I showed you that I got the Gulfs, and I guess, I don't know, it's kind of, maybe it's real popular, so they came out with this one. But this is the Honda Civic. This is a 90 EF, and this is number 2 of 8 of the Hondas. So you can also get the Honda CRX, the Honda Civic, the Honda Odyssey. I'd like to find that. Okay, so wait, I got 2 of those. And let's see what else. And then my kids got these mystery models. I'm going to have them come in and open these up. 2 of our mystery models. Mystery models. Okay, and I know there's going to be a lot of fighting if it's not what they think. And then this was the Jeep Compass in the camo, in the Matchbox. This was 94 cents. And this is the Corvette HW Speed Graphics for 2018. And then this Mercedes was 94 cents. This is the SLR McLaren Mercedes-Benz. Okay, so let me see.
I already got one. You already got what we wanted.
How do you know?
Here it is, that model.
You knew what? How do you know? How do you?
I don't know. I don't know. This is what I wanted. I don't know what it is. Let me see what it is.
Let's see. So it could have been any one of. Luke, come over here and open it.
This thing could do like 220 miles an hour.
Could have been any one of these. Come over here closer. Come over here to the camera.
Here's the camera stingray you got, Lonnie.
Let Luke open his. Let's see what he got.
I already got one for Luke. He says, I don't want to say what he got. I already know what he does.
Having a little trouble opening that, Luke?
You need me to open that?
Want Ethan to open that?
You don't dump it out, okay? Mm.
Okay, let's give it to him. Go ahead. Come on, Luke.
Let me put the scissors back. There we go, guys.
Okay, what'd you get?
Cha-la-la.
And so you guys, how did you felt around in the package to get the one you wanted?
No, there's a little hole. So I saw there's a little hole right there. You can get the look.
Oh, really?
And move it around. Move it around.
And move it around? Okay, so.
This is so strange that that tire has that color and this has silverish and this has blue.
Okay, so well, they got their mystery cars. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.
This is the best car in the pack.
You think so?
Yes, it is.
All right, have a great one, guys. Oh, look at this, guys. You also get this nice sticker in the package. Where's yours, Ethan?
That's mine. Mine. Did you throw yours away, Luke? The pack away?
No, it's in your pack. Where's your pack?
Hey, give me that, Luke. That's my pack. Oh, wait, look.
Here, that's his. Okay, so they come with a sticker. Be careful not to throw that away. All right, guys, and that's the Hot Wheels mystery model. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.